Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application and from there click on the Add an Email Address option. Now, you just simply have to select the Google option here. And now, it will show this interface. You just simply have to enter your email address into this box and then click Next. Now, all you have to do is to enter your password into this box here. After entering the password, click Next. And now, after entering the password and clicking Next, you can get these options here. You can turn on or turn off the backup as you want. And after choosing the suitable option, click on this I agree button. Now, after doing all that, you just simply have to click on this Take me to the Gmail option. As you can see here, I'm successfully logged into my Gmail. By following these very easy steps, you can easily log into your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.